This is CompTIA LAB 9.3.2 and we are going to look at SOHO router configuration. So we have all our tags here on the left pane. So let's start up. We're going to drag in on home PC1, home PC2, and then home laptop. So the next thing we want to do is to select and drop our switch here. And we'll go ahead and add our router here. So let's see from the left pane our tags, connect computers to the switch. Okay, so what we want to do is to link port 0 to this router port 0, and from our tags what we want to do is to connect Ethernet into switch 1 and then Ethernet into Ethernet port 2. Connect Ethernet here, and here we're going to use switch port 3 for this. And remember, we have to do it exactly how it is on the left pane. Okay, so after that, what we want to do is to launch Windows from home PC1, and while in Windows, according to our tags here, verify the HTTP address is assigned. So we want to go to network and internet, and from the network and the internet we want to open Ethernet. From Ethernet we go ahead and check this. Let's see which network number is this. Okay, it's going to be 192.168.1.0, and for this it's going to be this. So let's see how we do. Okay, so we've not pinged the gateway yet. So what we want to do right now is to go ahead and ping the gateway. So to do that, we want to open our terminal, and then we are going to ping. So we type in ping space 192.168.168.1. Okay. So we'll press enter. We'll discover that the ping was successful. So let's go ahead and check our answers and see how we do, and everything is 100% correct. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. And in case you're having any challenges with any of your lab, either due to unforeseen life challenges like your health issue, family issue, and any other issue at all, and that has prevented you from completing your assignments and your labs and the weekly discussions, and your grades are falling behind, what you have to do right now is to locate the WhatsApp number on this video and then give me a call. I will help you fix the issue, and I will make sure you come out with an A. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.